popular cartoon characters. Let's watch the video.
Cartoon characters part 2. Let's start with Chota Bheem. Chota Bheem is an Indian animated comedy adventure television series created by Rajiv Chilaka in 6th April 2008. It focuses on the adventures of a 9-year-old boy named Bheem and his friends in the fictional kingdom of Dholakpur. Bheem is a courageous boy who is gifted with extraordinary strength. He is a legendary character comprising intelligence, kindness, gentleness, friendliness, courage, strength, and bravery. In this series, Bheem and his friends are usually involved in protecting Raja Indravarma, the king of Dholakpur, and his kingdom from various evil forces. Sometimes they also help other kingdoms. It is one of the most popular animated series for the children in India. Bheem's activities bring enough happy factors for the little stars. The other characters like Chutki and Raju are also quite popular among children. This Chota Bheem series teaches us several priceless lessons. They are to be honest, wise and bold, stop being jealous, stay united, be confident, and instead of complaining, utilize your resources. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is a funny animal cartoon character and the official mascot of the Walt Disney Company. Mascot is a person, animal or thing that is thought to bring good luck. Mickey Mouse was created by Walt Elias Disney and Ub Iwerks at the Walt Disney Studios in 1928. Mickey is an anthropomorphic mouse who typically wears red shorts, large yellow shoes, and white gloves. Mickey has become one of the most recognizable cartoon characters in the world. Originally, Walt Disney named Mickey Mortimer, but Walt's wife Lillian Disney convinced him to change it to Mickey. Mortimer ended up being the name of a new character, Mickey's rival. A few lessons learned from Mickey Mouse series are: look on the bright side of things, smile, be proactive, be helpful, and keep your surroundings clean. Pluto the Pup. Pluto, also called Pluto the Pup, is a cartoon dog created in 1930 at Walt Disney Productions. Pluto is a yellow-orange color and a medium-sized short-haired dog with black ears and black tail. Pluto dog is Mickey's pet. Officially a mixed breed dog, he made his debut as a bloodhound breed in the Mickey Mouse cartoon. Debut means a person's first appearance or performance in a particular capacity or role. Pluto is not anthropomorphic beyond some characteristics such as facial expression. I already told in the previous session that anthropomorphic means having human characteristics. Donald Duck. Donald Duck is a cartoon character created in 1934. Donald is a famous duck with a yellow-orange bill, legs and feet. Along with his friend Mickey Mouse, Donald is one of the most popular Disney characters. Donald always gets into trouble and he is always on one adventure or another. There is a lot to be learned from this duck. Here are a few lessons. Watch your temper. Donald is known for his terrible temper. It almost always gets him into trouble. This is one lesson that is beneficial to learn early in life. So we should control our temper. Be a faithful friend. When you see him in Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, most of the time Donald is a loyal friend. So we should be a true and faithful friend. Persevere. Donald has his ups and downs, but he genuinely tries to win. If there is something that is truly important to us and we honestly want it, then we should go after it. Honey Bunny Ka Jolmaal. Honey Bunny Ka Jolmaal or Sab Jolmaal Hai is an Indian animated comedy television series that currently airs on Sony Yai. The story revolves around the adventures of four pets, Honey, Bunny, Zordar and Popat, who live in a cozy house owned by Miss Katkar. When the owner is away, the pets set off on fun and crazy adventures together. While they are usually sweet and well-mannered. Honey and Bunny are twin cats. Honey becomes mischievous and Bunny becomes frantic. They love to team up and play pranks on everyone else. Frantic means extremely worried or frightened. Bunny is the smarter cat of the two, while Honey is always clueless and innocent. Honey is called a fool, but he is the bravest among the four heroes. But Bunny plays the main role to save others. Zordar is an obedient dog who is friendly and disciplined. He always helps with the household chores. Popat the parrot is full of himself and believes that there is no other better than him. He enjoys adventures and only wants to have fun. He has a catchphrase, "Koi shak," meaning any doubt.
जवाब मैं दूंगा कोई शक
Kitty, a female cat, is Mr. Khanna Saab's pet and Honey Bunny have a crush on her and always tries to impress her, getting everyone into trouble. Nandu, a mad rabbit. He always says, "Main Nandu sabka bandhu," means I am Nandu, everyone's friend. Dr. Balu. He is a doctor of madmen. Nandu is his patient. Dr. Balu always says, "Aavo, idhar aavo," means come here, come. Hope you all enjoyed this cartoon special. I will be sharing the link of Lovely Cartoons Part 1. Please view. Give your likes and comments. Thank you. Bye bye.